Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to learn how can we reset our pin in roblox.com or in Roblox app. Both are the same thing. It can be used in your Android and in your iOS as well as in laptop or in PC. It's a very easy and simple way. It's a very simple process. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is just open your Roblox app, or you can just type roblox.com. Both are same. So just go in your settings, just tap on settings, on account info. So let's say that you want to change something like your display name or your mail, right? So by changing, the Roblox will first of all require a password from you, the pin. So for example, now I am adding the pin and it's incorrect, right? So if I have forgotten my pin, what I will do is just go back once again. Let me show you once again. Just from top to down, press on help. After pressing on help, just scroll down and then tap on I need help with my account, this one, the first one. Just press on that and scroll down in the account settings. The first option, I forgot the pin, press on it and then just simply press on contact form. Just contact, open in Chrome, and after that what you have to do is just put your username, your first name, your email address, then confirm it, then issue details, on which device you're facing the issue or which device you're using. So as I am using Android phone, and type of help category, just press on account hacked or can't login. Over here you have to add the same username which you have created the account. So then after that, in the description of issue, just type I have forgotten my pin, please help me. That's all. Just type this. You don't want to type full detail. Just type this and then after that submit. It will take 1 to 2 days, and after that the Roblox team will contact with you and then they will give you a link, and by that link you can reset your password. So this is the way how can you reset your Roblox pin.